I'd like to recognize a group of high school students from Sisler High School for winning the 2022 Norm the Safety Contest Award. These individuals prepared a video that shared a very important message for young workers everywhere, and that is that safe work culture matters.
All right, that should do it. All right, we're good?
Yep, we're good.
All right. Hello, newbies. Welcome to the cooking course. I'm your host / teacher, Sean, and I'll just give you guys a brief rundown of the course. As you can see, we have such a lovely space here in the kitchen. Everyone has room to work in, and guys, attention. What I tell you guys about keeping the stove on when no one's using it? Over there, we have all the equipments you will need for the course, and all equipments are provided for you. Like, for example, these mitts I actually just recently bought, and well, are you okay? Oh my gosh, okay, that's really, really bad. We need to treat that right now. Let's come over here. Get that camera out. My students here are busy right now with their cooking, and they receive proper training with certain equipments. Like, for example, my student. Whoa, cut that out. Why are you holding like that? Give me that. Guys, can I have everyone's attention again? Like, what? And the most important part of my job is keeping the students safe. Right now, all students are practicing safety before getting into the kitchen. All students are responsible and talented and whoa! Okay. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, you see that, guys? That's why we, whoa!
I'd like to recognize and thank all of the safety's winners and the nominees for the important role that you play in championing safety and health in your workplaces. You have shown that together we can all make a difference in preventing injury and illness in Manitoba.